Hello and welcome to Daily Slow English. This channel helps you understand, repeat, and speak English with confidence.
We speak slowly, clearly, and step by step.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice.
Take a deep breath. Let's begin.
Today's topic is morning routine.
We talk about the things we do every morning,
From waking up,
to leaving the house.
this lesson is perfect for A2 learners.
At the end, you will be able to talk about your own morning in English.
If you want to improve, subscribe and practice with us every day.
Bruno, let's start simple. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Is that early or late for you?
For me, it's a good time.
Okay, after you wake up, what do you do?
First, I get out of bed.
Then,
Then, I go to the bathroom.
what do you do in the bathroom?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good. These are very common morning actions.
Yes, after that, I go to the kitchen.
And what do you do there?
I make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually have coffee and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit.
Nice, simple and healthy.
After breakfast, I get dressed.
Do you put on your shoes next?
Yes, I put on my shoes, leave the house, and go to work.
Let's look at the structure. We often use first, then, and after that.
Listen again. First, I get out of bed. Then, I go to the bathroom. After that, I make breakfast.
This helps your English sound natural. Now, repeat slowly. Focus on clear pronunciation.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I make breakfast. I make breakfast.
Now, shadowing practice.
Listen and speak together with us. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I make breakfast. I make breakfast.
I get dressed and put on my shoes. I get dressed and put on my shoes.
I leave the house and go to work. I leave the house and go to work. Now it's your turn. Complete the sentence. I wake up at. I eat for breakfast. I leave the house at.
Say your sentences out loud. This is how you start speaking. Today's key words: morning, breakfast, bathroom, kitchen.
Key verbs. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, make breakfast, get dressed, leave the house.
Great job today.
You practiced real English for real life.
Write one sentence about your morning routine in the comments.
Slow practice every day brings big results.
Subscribe to Daily Slow English.
See you in the next lesson.